A novidade das pistas.
You made it this far and you haven't been killed by sharks. You haven't stepped on a landmine. You haven't had your body torn apart. Blood is still pumping through the functional valves of your heart. And you're smart and you're alive and you can sleep and wake up and don't choke on your food and don't fall in the shower. You've survived one more year and we're terribly proud of you. Peanuts can be deadly and so can a shellfish in a potty that chooses to go. If you'd had a seizure or if you'd had an aneurysm, you could have lost the parts of your brain that would know that I know that in all of these years you didn't let your skin burn off. You didn't drink poison, you didn't lose your lungs to whooping cough. Cells are still dividing to replace any cells that you've lost. And you're smart and you're alive and you can take your prescriptions as much as you need them, not more than you need them, not so you OD on them. You haven't been shot by a stranger, you haven't been shot by a friend, you haven't perished in a plane crash or grabbed a live wire by the end. There's a lot you did not do to be here with us now, so we're proud and we're proud and we're proud. Yeah, that's good.
I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else one could do? Tormented and torn apart. I wish I could carry your smile in my heart, for times when my life seems so low. If would make believe what tomorrow could bring, when today doesn't really know. I'm a lot of love, I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm a lot of love, but I am without you. I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong. I want you to come back and carry me home, away from these long, lonely nights. I'm reaching for you, you are feeling it too. Does the feeling seem so right? And what would you say If I call on you now, saying that I can't hold on. There's no easy way, it gets harder each day. Please let me or I'll be gone. I'll be gone. I'm all out of love, I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love, what I am without you. I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong.